Good evening, student. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with some another part of some important question, that is board level question. I have written the question on my board. Let's go to the board and see how I am solving this question. This is really very important question for the board examination. So let's see how you will solve this question. See, this is the question. If sec theta is equal to x plus 1 by 4x, prove that sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 2x or 1 by 2x. So, in this question, I will use this formula. That's why I have written. So, see this one. When a plus b whole square and nearby it is minus 4 by, then it will be equal to a minus b whole square. Because if you want to see that how, see this one, a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 4ab. Now a square minus this one and this one minus 2ab, subtract, after subtracting this one, then it will be a minus b whole square. So this one whole will be equal to each other. So I will use this, that's why I have written here. So see how I will use this one. As you know that I have to find the value of tan theta. So as you know that sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. So write this one, sec theta की value हम लोग लिख देंगे. Then x plus 1 by 4x whole square minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. It is a plus b whole square minus 4ab. How? So write this one, 4 into x into 1 by 4x. So 4 will be cancelled, x will be cancelled, 1 will be, so that's 1 will be 4ab. It is equivalent to 4ab. So we need to transfer this one, as if you want to transfer this one, so write this one, x plus 4x 1 by 4x whole square minus 4 into x into 1 by 4x. 1 will be transferred to this one. Now it is tan square theta. Now this one will become x plus 1 by 4, sorry, the whole will become x minus 1 by 4x whole square is equal to tan square theta. After removing a square, it will be plus minus x minus 1 by 4x is equal to tan theta. So first we have to find the value of tan theta, then we will find the value of sec theta plus tan theta. Now for sec theta plus tan theta we will add, now sec theta plus tan theta, it will be x plus 1 by 4x plus, first take tan theta positive value, that is x minus 1 by 4x, x minus 1 by 4x. If tan theta is equal to x minus 1 by 4x. Now see this one, this one will be cancelled out, it will be 2x. Again sec theta plus tan theta. Now this time we will take the value of minus x, this time we will take the value of minus x here he has minus ring. Now it will be minus x plus 1 by 4. Tan theta is the minus x plus 1 by theta. So sec theta will be remain same, x plus 1 by 4x. This time tan theta is minus x plus 1 by 4x. This one will be cancelled out. 1 by 4x plus 1 by 4x. It will be 1 by 2x. Okay. So this is the method, this is the easiest method through which you can solve. I believe that. So solve this method, solve such types of question which is really very important questions for the board level examination. then you will be able to score a good marks in the board. See, this is the second question. If cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta, then show that cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. For this, I will write a formula. So this note it down. This formula is very important. Suppose when a cos theta plus b sin theta, here a and b are any real number, whole square. Again, this time a will goes to sin, a sin theta minus b cos theta whole square. What will be the value? The value will be a square plus b square, a square plus b square. This is the value. When you will expand this part, you will get a square plus b square. So this is the proved formula. You can use this formula to prove this one. So I am using this one. Here a and b are both equal and equal to 1. Here a and b are both equal. See the coefficient of cos and coefficient of sin. So a is equal to b is equal to 1. This is the process. Now put a and b are 1. This will be cos theta plus sin theta whole square. Again sin theta or cos theta, whatever be you can write. You can write cos theta minus sin theta whole square. It will be 1 square plus 1 square. See this one. Now the given thing is that cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. We will put this value as root 2 cos theta. So it will be root 2 cos theta whole square plus cos theta minus sin theta whole square is equal to 2. So now this one 2 cos square theta, again cos theta minus sin theta whole square is equal to 2. Take 2 cos square theta on that side, so it will be cos theta minus sin theta whole square is equal to 2 minus 2 cos square theta. So I am just writing the things. See this one. This one will goes to up. So it will be written as cos theta minus sin theta whole square is equal to 2 common 1 minus cos square theta. So now cos theta minus sin theta whole square is equal to 2 sin square theta. Remove square both sides, so it will be cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. So it is proved. This is very easiest. These are the things which you use. It will be easy for you to solve such types of question. So I will request you, before solving the identity or such types of question, you need to focus the some basic things, that is algebraic identities or some formula that used to be done. Earlier I had also told you why identities will be studied. तो identities आपको help करता है decision making process में. It helps to in the decision making process, how and where or when you will take a decision that will be right to the situation, that will be right to the circumstances. So it will give you the positive results. So till that, have a good day. Take care. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for giving the comments. I am waiting your positive comments. Keep watching, keep comments on my video. God bless you. Take a good care of yourself.